Is that awesome or what?
Oh, neat. Oh, that is neat.
Can't see a thing. Fiona, you see it? Yeah, I can't see it and hear it all.
You're all right.
Oh, I'm sorry. There it goes, Discovery. Look at that. Huh? Now can you imagine? And people are up there on the very top of it.
Their ears are popping like crazy.
Oh, I'll bet.
You should hear the sound pretty soon.
Listen, listen, listen.
Hear it?
Yeah.
Hear the sound?
Ooh, that's loud. Grandpa, get another one, duh.
It took a while. It's empty.
And there she goes. God bless. Have a safe trip.
Disappeared.
Oh, it's so tough when you do that to keep it in line.
You want to see the rocket separate?
You see them?
Not yet.
That's it.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, feet.
Just a minute till I turn it off.